Führe mich ein, so wie ich für dich eingetreten bin.
Adolf Hitler was born on April 20th, 1889, in Braunau am Inn, Austria-Hungary, now Austria. He was the fourth of 6 children born to Alois Hitler and Clara Polzel. Hitler spent most of his childhood in Linz, Austria, and showed early interest in art, but was rejected twice by the Academy of Fine Arts Vienna. In 1913, Hitler moved to Munich, Germany, and joined the German army during World War I, where he served as a messenger and was decorated for bravery. The war's end saw Germany's defeat and the Treaty of Versailles, which Hitler and many Germans saw as a humiliation. In 1919, Hitler joined the German Workers' Party, which he later transformed into the National Socialist German Workers' Party Nazi Party. He became its leader and promoted a platform of German nationalism, anti-Semitism, and anti-communism. His oratory skills and propaganda helped him gain a mass following. In 1923, Hitler attempted a coup known as the Beer Hall Putsch, which failed, resulting in his imprisonment. During his time in prison, he wrote Mein Kampf outlining his ideology and future plans for Germany. After his release, Hitler focused on gaining power through legal means. By exploiting economic woes, political instability, and public discontent, he and the Nazi Party became increasingly popular. In January 1933, Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany. He quickly consolidated power, establishing a totalitarian regime. Hitler's aggressive foreign policy aimed at expanding German territory led to the invasion of Poland in 1939, sparking World War II. His regime implemented the Holocaust, the systematic extermination of 6 million Jews and millions of other minorities. Hitler's military campaigns initially saw significant success, but by 1943, the tide turned against Germany. Facing inevitable defeat, Hitler committed suicide on April 30, 1945, in his Berlin bunker. His death marked the collapse of the Nazi regime and the end of World War II in Europe.